Welcome to Totally Wicked, the world's premier vaping brand. Totally Wicked started out in Blackburn in 2008 and has pioneered the vaping industry in the UK. Our purpose has remained the same since day one, empowering smokers to transform their lives. We exist because smoking exists. We've literally helped thousands of vapers and smokers ever since. Our business has grown from humble beginnings to over 360 Totally Wicked staff members. From our state-of-the-art research and development and production team to our dedicated and passionate retail staff. And finally, one of the most important is our customer service team, here to help and guide you through product advice, as well as ensuring that we service you as you'd expect. Our product portfolio backs up our leading role in the industry. We meticulously select every e-cigarette to sit in our range, designed to meet the needs of all types of vapers. Whether new to vaping or an experienced vapor with specific needs, our experience in the sector since 2008 has given us a firm understanding of all vapers' needs. Many Totally Wicked employees are ex-smokers or vapers. We only ever put our logo on the best of the best, with our in-house team of engineers working closely with our suppliers to ensure excellence. Our e-liquid comes with a guarantee of e-liquid excellence. Made from the finest ingredients suitable for e-liquid in our state-of-the-art production facility right here in Blackburn. Our testing, quality control and overall standards of excellence are why our firm favourite Red Label has sold over 40 million bottles alone and growing daily. Why not take a look at our e-liquid for everyone video to understand more about our great ranges of e-liquid. From opening our first retail store in Wigan in 2011, we've since gone on to open more than 150 dedicated retail stores. In addition to these fabulous stores, our website has continued to go from strength to strength to where it is today. It's a robust, fully transactional and simple to use website, servicing tens of thousands of customers week in, week out with a fantastically efficient and convenient service. Our store managers throughout the country are trained stop smoking practitioners, meaning smokers can go into a store and get advice on a level recognised by the government. As well as these retail teams, we're very proud of our customer service team. We're on hand via various communication methods 7 days a week to ensure you always have the support, guidance and expertise to help you along your vaping journey. We've also expanded into the convenience and supermarket sector, making it even easier for you to pick up Totally Wicked products when you're out and about, with large chains including Sainsbury's stocking Totally Wicked products for you to pick up while you're out shopping. Or if you're fueling up the car on a journey, we're in numerous forecourts, partnering with Eurogarages, Penny Petroleum, Apple Green, the K Group and many more. We also partner with major sporting institutions like St Helens Rugby Club. Our principal partnership saw us rename the stadium the Totally Wicked Stadium. And finally, we ensure that through meticulous planning, research and development, and with expertise and passion, we have a product for everyone. Whether it's one of our devices that we're proud to hold our logo on, or our industry-leading quality in our e-liquids, all produced right here in our production facility in Blackburn. One thing you can be certain of is that quality of products and excelling in customer care is what we strive for. Our customers and our staff, smokers looking to make the switch to vaping, and vapers looking to continue their journey are what we exist for. Take a browse in-store or on our website. You should find a device, an e-liquid and accessories to every taste and experience level to ensure that everyone has a Totally Wicked experience.